A young mother broke her promise to a judge and was caught drunk driving a second time. Now, her life and her children's future are on the line.
Good morning, Ms. Tabora. How's jail?
No.
Ok, so sorry. ¿Cómo está la cárcel?
How's jail?
¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo es la cárcel?
Fea.
Good.
Bien.
You now have picked up another DWI while you're on bond for DWI.
Estaba libre bajo
You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On October 13th, 2024, officers were dispatched in regard to a traffic hazard at West Belfort and Nobility Drive in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, officers met with the defendant, who was observed to be parked on northbound lane with her truck on and in park and asleep at the wheel. When the defendant finally woke up after multiple attempts, the officers observed glassy eyes, constricted pupils, an odor of an alcoholic beverage, and swaying, as well as multiple open and closed alcoholic containers in the vehicle, and spilled alcohol in the front portion.
Alcohol in the car while she's driving?
Yes, Your Honor. She was not the only occupant. The defendant admitted to consuming alcohol prior to operating the vehicle. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted. HGN 2 out of 6, walk and turn 4 out of 8 in the one leg stand.
Paro de una pierna. But not too fast, man.
Yes.
Thanks.
2 out of 4.
Dos de cuatro pisos en el paro de una pierna.
DIC was read,
Advertencia se leyó.
and the defendant consented to breath test.
Consentimiento previo.
The results were
Los resultados fueron
0.162 and 0.156.
0.156. Thank you.
Is that her?
The judge expresses deep disappointment over the broken promise. She had promised she wouldn't drive.
Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. What is that?
¿Qué es eso?
I don't think she reads English, Your Honor.
Okay.
You want me to ask her if she knows if that's her signature?
Usted firmó diciendo que no vas a manejar. Sí.
Es mi juramento.
It's my my swearing. My affidavit.
I want to express my deepest disappointment
Molestia más profunda.
and we ordered you not to drive and you promised us you would not drive. And now you've picked up another DWI.
Otro caso de manejo ebrio.
Which I've already spoken with the state. We're gonna see what we need to work out.
I don't know if I'm going to take anything today, Marcos.
She has been in custody for 2 days, Your Honor. I understand.
Entiendo.
It screams to me that there are issues, and the last thing I want is to have her go back out there and kill someone. I mean, we have 2 DWIs in rapid succession, 0.19, and a bunch of alcohol in the car,
I will say, Your Honor,
allegedly.
and I've already spoken with the state about the first one. The first one is not a strong case for the state. She's the one who called 911 because she was assaulted outside of a club. The fire department got there before the officers. They saw her in the passenger seat with a bloody face. And her arm was injured as well. I've already spoke with the state.
I don't remember. All I know that there was enough PC to go forward. There's an affidavit. She promised us she's not going to drive.
I understand. There's also a question on the second one as to whether she was operating or not. There are 3 people in the vehicle. And again, all of this we're going to try to flush out with the evidence.
Sure.
That's where I was going to try to get her a bond.
I am going to set a bond, but I'm going to tell you now, because she drove in violation of the affidavit, I'm going to make it a high bond.
I understand.
You know, I'm setting.
The case takes a turn when the judge learns of an immigration detainer. Everything is about to change.
Both of your bonds at $15,000.
She does have an ISO judge,
Tiene
so
orden de
that's why,
detención de inmigración.
in light of that fact.
A luz de ese hecho,
She does have an ISOL.
We just found out this morning, Your Honor.
Now have an immigration
tiene
detainer.
orden de detención de inmigración.
Do you realize what this means?
¿Usted se da cuenta de lo que esto significa?
Who do you have here that depends on you?
Que depende de usted.
Do you have any,
Los hijos.
My two sons,
how old are they?
¿qué edad tienen ellos?
La niña 2 años va a cumplir el 20 de octubre y mi niño va a cumplir 6 años el 23 de diciembre.
October, my daughter will be 2 years old, and my boy in December will be 6 years old, I believe. 6 años tiene.
I was going to suggest in the event that you wanted to work something out, that I was wanting to do a TRAS to see how best to go forward. But now with an immigration detainer, that's just,
Inmigración.
there's no,
Una-
let me ask you this. Do you think that you'll be able to get her an immigration bond? You want to try?
She already has an immigration attorney, there may be a chance.
Pueda que haya una oportunidad.
Perhaps,
She's only been in the country 3 years.
Solo está en el país por 3 años.
I don't know.
But
realidad
if she
están
were
diciendo
to
que-
keep both
que
cases
si ella
open
mantiene
and
dos casos
pay the
abiertos,
bond here
y pagar
and
la
go with
fianza
immigration,
y
the
allá
two
con
open
inmigración,
DWIs,
con dos
I don't
casos
anticipate them
no anticipo que
giving her a
ellos
bond
le
at all.
den
She'd be
fianza.
a danger to the community.
Pues pensando que ese es
You guys want to try or no?
We can always try,
Siempre
but
podemos
she
intentar,
would rather,
pero
she's
ella
not gonna be able to pay those two
no
bonds
paga
and an
esas dos
immigration
fianzas y
bond.
una fianza de inmigración.
And I think a lot of the fact that the first DWI is pretty weak,
De hecho, el primer caso
we're
de
gonna
hoy es bastante
resolve
débil.
both cases, dismiss
Vamos a
one,
resolver
clear one,
el caso,
and then have her
desestimar el caso,
sent to immigration, and then her immigration
irse con
attorney is gonna
inmigración
try
y que
to
nos
get her
hagan las de
bond.
inmigración,
Uh,
traten de buscar
with
Out of a
one
position. Person then try to get a bond?
declararse
Once she's over there,
tratar de buscar
yes,
fianza una
because
vez
if
que
she
ya
goes
está
over there
ella.
with two DWI, she's not gonna get a bond.
Porque si vaya con dos casos de manejo
That's
ebrio, no
why.
le van a dar fianza. Yo entiendo, eso es porque
The judge is left with no good options. She is about to deliver her final ruling.
One mistake can literally cost you your entire life. And I don't know if you understand or get the gravity of it.
la gravedad.
I hope one day you do.
Ojalá que algún día ustedes
One simple mistake. Over. and over. Like I said, I'm going to find that there's probable cause. I'm ordering you, if you get out on one ankle, to put a GPS monitor and not to be out in the middle of the night. You will be given a 9 p.m.
toque
or 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. curfew.
7 de la mañana, toque de queda.
On your other ankle, you will get a scram
Alcoholímetro.
monitor, so I know that you're not consuming alcohol.
Saber que usted no está consumiendo alcohol.
Again, I'm ordering you not to drive. But like we've said, there's an immigration detainer, so the likelihood of you getting out is probably pretty slim. Regardless, I'm going to set both bonds, or I'll set the new bond at 15,000.
And what, Your Honor?
15,000.
Su caso nuevo.
15,000 even?
Excuse me.
Yeah, 15,001. And I'm going to do the other one as well, 15,001 as well. You want to set off a week, 2 weeks? What do you want to do?
Semana.
I don't know if I'm prepared to do something today.
Si estoy preparado para hacer algo en este caso. Hágase más
Can I
adelante.
run another court, handle some other stuff?
Puedo ir a otro
and then
tribunal y
Of course.
volver
come back, and I'll talk.
Take your time. I mean,
su tiempo.
I'm never going to say no.
No voy a decir que no.
A broken promise, 2 DWIs, and an immigration hold. This young mother's life has crumbled. Should the system have considered her children? Let me know in the comments.